Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I'm just gonna be doing this fun makeup look. I'm going to be going through the Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild has a full collection, adorable Wet n Wild makeup collection. It comes with all these adorable things. So if you are interested in this video and all these cute things that I got, please keep on watching. So I got this adorable Wet n Wild set. I think I got it off Amazon. I had heard about this collection last year, little twin star collection. It's basically a part of the Hello Kitty lineup, the Sanrio lineup. It's pretty much going to be showing you this huge box I got. It's so cute. But this collection is so cute. They have an adorable makeup bag here. It's like a little glitter on it. This is a brush cup right here. I don't know how well this will hold a brush. It's so cute. More than I thought it'd be, so I think it will hold. Here is the to hold the beauty blenders right here. The packaging on these are so cute. I cannot get over it. There's little twin stars on it with setting spray right here, which I'm about to use right now. 4-piece eyeliners right here. It comes with aqua blue, pink, yellow, and white. 2 brushes right here, and they have like little glitter on them right here. First off, I'm gonna prime with my favorite primer, Too Faced Hangover Primer. Colourpop eyebrow pencil in dark brown. Product I'm gonna be going in with is the Pretty Fresh Colourpop Tinted Moisturizer, excuse me. I got it in the shade Dark 18W. You can already see, like, it's like my skin looks better. It's like my skin but better. Now I'm gonna go in and conceal with the Rare Beauty Concealer in 400W, the Wet n Wild Star Team beauty blender. Like, it has both of them on there, the girl and the boy color. So cute. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the setting spray, and you can see like a golden looking color right here if you look real closely. Go to my Fenty setting powder and honey. This is the palette right here. It's so cute. This is it right here. The colors are really pretty. Like, I really like them. I think I want to do something with the purple and the pink color right here. It just looks so washed out. Like, I haven't had to deal with that with a palette in a long time. Gonna have to make it work. Darker purple shade right here. Wet n Wild has never been known as like a high quality brand. Try this pink color right here. So that one's actually picking up, which is awesome. Like, you can see a little bit of blue right there, but it's already fading. Like, the only one that's showing up on me is the purple glitter thing. So I'm gonna try to do this one right here, which is called Sugar High right here. They seem pretty pigmented. So I think I'm a white liner right here, and I'm gonna try to put this under my eye. Okay, the liners, I'm happy with that. And then I'm gonna go in with my lashes right here. Wipe off this powder so I can start looking crazy. So I'm gonna be using my Fenty Matchstick in Espresso. So they have these two little blushes right here. So they're both so cute. They have pink and then they have blue. So I have a lot of pink blushes already, so I'm really curious to see how this blue one looks. It comes with, this is the blush, this is the highlighter, and this is like a face glitter, basically. Okay, nice pigment, nice pigment. Okay, it's a blue highlighter right here. Oh, it's cute. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'll put a tiny bit of this on my face, just like on the top of my cheeks. I like it. It's giving festival vibe. Okay, and last but not least in this collection is there's 3 glosses here. 2 of them are glosses, so these are the 2 mattes right here. This whole collection is just adorable, but so there's 2 mattes and 2 glosses. So I'm gonna try to use a little bit of this. Like I said, there's a purple one too, but I'm not wearing no purple nothing on my list. There are ones right here, so I'll just pick one. Probably this one right here. Right here, that's the pink Lip Mousse, so it's really pink. I'm gonna go in with this glittery lip gloss right here. I don't really like gloss, if I'm being honest. Gloss and me, nah, I don't like gloss if I'm being honest, but this is cute. Still not sure about how I feel about how it looks, but it's growing on me. It's growing on me. All right, so this is the finished look. Like I said, this whole collection is adorable. If you just buy it for the packaging, which I did, I wouldn't, normally I would not buy Wet n Wild, but the packaging, like how could you be all the cute stuff? And I just love cute things. So if you just buy it because of that, it's definitely worth it. I got the whole collection off Amazon, so I just saw it and I was like, oh, I gotta have it. And I think I got it for like $50–$60. 100% keeping the containers. Like I'm gonna use the beauty blenders, I'm gonna use the brushes, I'm gonna use the brush holder right here, I'm gonna use the beauty blender holder right here. Definitely going to be, I'm not a highlighter girl, but I will definitely be, I like the blushes had pigment and I was in love with the liner set too. So the liners are good, the blushes are good, the highlighters are good, the glosses are really cute. The only thing I would say I was not impressed by was the palette. The mattes did not show well on me at all, and I'm not even that dark, so that's why, you know, that's kind of disappointing. But this is the final look. I'm really happy with it. And I have my Hello Kitty earrings here just as reference for the Sanrio, because little twin stars is Sanrio, so I just have my little Hello Kitty earrings. This bag right here is just so cute also. So yeah, all right, so that is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and especially if you made it to the end of this video, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching again. I have so much fun playing with makeup. I'm not super great at my makeup, but I do enjoy playing with my makeup. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share if you can. And I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.